I work hard. I'm responsible. I always dreamed to be my own boss, owning my own business.
I work full-time, but I want something for myself. I'm looking for a low-cost home-based business that I can work part-time and earn extra cash.
I own my own cleaning company. I have some clients, but I'm struggling to find new clients and manage my own business.
I want to start a business, but I don't know of any business opportunities for myself and my family where we can work together and grow.
I always wanted to be my own boss, but I don't know how to start a business.
I've looked into franchising before, but how does Anago help me with the challenges of building my business?
Hi, my name is Jonathan. I am the master franchise owner of Anago, the Hudson Valley. I'm here to ensure your success in the business of commercial cleaning. You ask, how am I going to do that? Simply, I'm going to find you your clientele. I'm going to guarantee your financing. I'm going to give you insurance, and I'm going to train you in all the aspects of commercial cleaning.
I never owned a business before. Do I need experience?
No, you don't need experience. In fact, all you need is a desire to succeed. Anago for over 30 years has been helping first-time business owners just like yourself achieve their goals and objectives in the recession-resistant commercial cleaning industry.
So how do I get started with Anago?
The commercial cleaning business is a $100 billion industry. And for the last 14 years, Anago has been ranked #1 in franchise satisfaction. Anago is recognized amongst its peers as the top home-based franchise and the #1 cleaning franchise. We provide a level of support that is second to none. We listen to you. We want to know what your goals and objectives are. We want to understand how you want to grow this business. We build a business model around those goals and objectives. And we're going to work on your weaknesses and focus on your strengths and make sure that the business model that we're going to create together is appropriate for you and your success. We've been there and we know how to grow your business.
Okay, a franchise is the way to go. But what makes Anago different from all of the other commercial cleaning franchises?
Anago is a major recognized brand. We have all the resources for you to start and grow your business. Anago is the way to go.
I'm interested.
I'm ready to succeed.
How do I get started?
Take the first steps. Call today for your free business consultation.